So over here, you can see that I have a form, and then if I were to go around onto responses, you'll be able to see the responses that the people have filled up. So now, currently the form is active, meaning if I were to go around onto preview right here, it opens up the form. I can go around and use the form right here, and it'll accept responses right here. If I were to go back over here, what I can also do is disable out the responses. So let's say I want to disable out the form, then I can see that accepting responses is an option right here. Simply, I can disable this, and it says not accepting responses. So message for respondents will be the form will no longer be accepting responses right here. Or you can go around and type in a custom message as well. So I'm going to go around and say the response time is over, just like this. So you can go around over here, add in a custom message as well if you want to. So if I were to go around onto a preview, then you'll be able to see this. It says data, the response time is over. So it says resume collecting responses, only from editors can see the link. So if you're an editor, you can click on this right here, and then you can start collecting out responses from over here as well. So once you do that again, if someone were to open the form, they will be able to see this, as you can see. And that is how you can accept and block responses inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.